I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I want and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should have mine. I look in my eyes, not the best idea. Here's that you might really love her. This is gonna be evidence. This is evidence. I try to rationate you no more. There's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in the place, man. Now I'm on vacation. Now you lay your face down. Got me saying over. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'll be in there. Just to tell me there's a plan. I just want you. Kill my ex, I still love you. Rather be more than alone.
Girls love Beyonce. Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. This job you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share, but they call you up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been not alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking, girl. Say my name, you like to count the state of days. Baby, you are the Saturday. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and start some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me scream, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. Because someone besides myself. I need someone I leave to the front door. Because we wanna hide no more. Crush that side no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. No, not alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. And no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking, girl. Say my name. Say my name. You like to cut the state of days. Baby, you are the Saturday. Say my name. 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 And no one is around you.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, I know.
I'm walking on the rain. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside with the stage. It was just saying, it was that way. Turn back, if go crazy, see what you yeah. If I slide, but if I just press my issue, yeah. If they cut down, you know that nothing must be stressful. Talking, walking back it up, just can't let go. Said you make me special, whoa, yeah. But you wanted me that, no matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. Let's have a time to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky, so you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Just play yes, no, and I can be waiting 'cause I said so.
Going, turn, I swear you're crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't about revenge. But now I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know. But again, trust me, this ain't about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know. No. You said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, ditches you.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah.
Yo. Thought I clicked the wrong button there for a minute. What did it do? Cruisy crew. New day. First day of the month. Hopefully we get a banger or nothing. Let's get right into it. Let's see, it's Thursday. GBP has news all day. Red folder news all day. I wonder that what exactly it does to us, 7:30 this news. As we see, that's not really having any effect. 8:30 we got news. Let's go ahead and mark that out. Oh, this is, I guess we got news at 10 as well. Yep, road footer news at 10. We'll be out the charts by then. Today, I'm not really expecting much because NFP's tomorrow. So market's probably gearing up for that. Looks like we're at yesterday's daily low. That must be very low actually. Yeah. I'm guessing on our higher time frame we might just be ranging a whole bunch. Let's check that out. Sorry about that. Just need my mic a little closer. Start on the 4 hour. 4 hour, we don't really have much going on here. Down here, just keep that in mind. Let's mark it out. Potential take profit. So 4 hour. Jump to the 1 hour. Got tapped. We're bouncing off the 200 on the 1 hour. So that's bouncing off the 200 and we're bouncing off yesterday's daily low. So we got like 2 supports at the moment. It's at the moment. Let me go ahead and check out the 15 minute. And my buddy walking this way. 1 minute. Excuse me there, Hennessy. Let's see. So we're below our EMAs. Oh man. So we're below our EMAs on the 15 minute. We got a, excuse me. We have a not 1 hour, 15 minute supply up above here. Let's go ahead and mark that out. Zoom in for you if you can't see that. Right now it's just sitting at liquidity at the moment. So grab liquidity from yesterday's low. So potential, I can see it potentially reversing. Some potential reverses. Let's check out the 5 minute. So it's 15.5. Scale this 15 down into a 5 minute. I got tapped. And we also have a 5 minute up above. Right now, a riskier trade would be to get into buys somewhere around this area, hoping that it reverses up to that 5 minute. But for our sake, we're not going to ride that train because there's no really good confirmation. Besides, we just know we're bouncing off of 2 supports. Take that up there. Besides that, so we got 2 potential supplies. We got a 4-hour below us. See how this rides out. Let's give a peek at NAS real quick. How did NAS do yesterday? That's the real question. We had a demand set up. Looked like it was a fake out. Oh, these are so big. Tapped your 5 minute with a good candle. Give you break a candle to the next one, and then reversed on you. Check out today. NAS is sort of ranging, but for the most part it is above the EMAs. So you look for buys, but there's not really buy opportunities. You got a swing low from London session that it created. Also one right there, but this is the lowest one, so I'm only marking out that one. Since we're sort of ranging, it's kind of like my 5 minute range there. See it better on the 15 minute. So we'll check back on NAS a little later if I remember. Hop back to gold. Just check out the DXY. DXY is ranging in between our EMAs, moving choppy up and down. As far as the 5 minute, that EMA is cutting through price on the 15 minute. There's nothing really clear on that. Let's get everything proportioned over here. A little more in the stretch, wake up a little bit more. Alright. So right now we're kind of just hoping for gold to shoot up. Whenever it starts pushing down, hopefully it creates an opportunity. Try out something new this morning. See if we get a little bit of better lighting. Keep that. Alright. All settled in here. So we'll start in the new month, see what February has for us. Hopefully we start getting a little bit better than January's price action as we start to get in the groove of things. Still waiting to drop my first actual YouTube video besides just my lives. I've just been kind of jotting down stuff of what to really do there. I'm also thinking about releasing a free ebook real quick, kind of help you with this challenge. The route I was going to take was like a 50K account, and probably another 50K account, and then start doing like 100Ks. But I actually just found out yesterday that they do offer just straight $1 million accounts. So I think the route we're going to take is a 50K account, maybe another 50K, or after the 50K we go for 100, and we use our payouts from that to pay for the $1 million account. Which, off the top of my head, let me see who provides that real quick. DXY is just very small, choppy candles for the most part. There we go. So eventually we'll hop to the forex funder. As you see, they got multiple higher accounts. I got a $1 million account there. About 3,300. Which will just work our way there with payouts and other accounts. And someday we'll take this one here. Be a nice fun challenge to take for sure. See those big numbers going up and down like that. Take a 1% loss. It's gonna look a lot different than a 1% loss on our account now. So these challenges now, as we get bigger, and trying to kind of gear us on to seeing numbers like that. At this current stage, I couldn't imagine seeing negative 9,000. I would say I'm pretty good at that. Seeing those numbers just fluctuate up and down. So right now, if I could stomach, I think my biggest loss. What is my biggest loss? See my biggest loss at 829. I was able to stomach that one pretty well. The only reason I was disappointed during that loss, the reason why, is because of I knew I should not have taken that trade there. That's the only reason why I'll really get discouraged from a trade. Price or percentage doesn't really matter to me. More focus on the setup that I was taking, the process I was taking while doing it. Make sure I'm doing my part at least. Because if I'm doing my part, then the outcome is however it really wants to give it to me. I guess that's kind of a trick to take your emotions out of winning or losing. I get more excited winning or losing than I do seeing a big win or a big loss. Or yeah, I don't really look at the monetary side of it. So I know if I'm winning, that comes with it. So I set up daily with a gap. However, I would like it to break. Didn't really have a breaker structure to it. Didn't break this high. So now we broke that high, then came back down. We'd have a nice 5 minute to shoot for take profit. So it comes back to that zone now. It really doesn't do much for me. Here's something I'll take on my a live account. That's the account I just kind of take any trade on, really. I try to have no emotions here. That one I just straight blank face, just take whatever. It's paying out for sure. I don't take just whatever. Those stuff have to be like setups. I'm not just seeing price in the middle of nowhere and hitting buy or sell. I'm seeing price that either break or retest, support, resistance, liquidity grab, supply and demand. Wait for one of those to occur, and then I just hit buy or sell. When I see fit to enter there. Which I'm working on. That's what we're working on this for. So I get to the point to where I'll just take the setup. But I gotta get comfortable with kind of being a little bit more patient and pickier during challenges. Gotta go a little bit more in the line at the moment. I forgot how to. There we go. Now I'm able to see the chat box and everything. Also thinking about dropping an ebook soon, which is pretty much just my notes that I've taken over the years, which has some good gems in it, I say. Which I actually had one I wanted to write down earlier. Constantly updating it. Oh, I just lost my mind. Like then the note I just wrote down, just a note about January price action, which you very well can find out for yourself by either A, trading January, or B, watching my videos here as I was kind of going off. But I'll probably drop that closer to our $1 million funding. We'll see. Stay tuned for release date on that one. Got some gems in there for sure. Old notes from Discords I've joined. Notes from this experience. I'll probably actually add my spreadsheets and all that within that. So then you're able to see kind of my journey and all the hard work I put in, trades I've taken. applicable if you listen in or follow me. It's not about just every strategy. And some are about notes, but it'll get most use out of the ones that are using the same strategy as me or similar, as we may see the same things. Is fun to me right now. Since there's all day news in GBP, I want to see if that makes like the stock move slow, or not the stock, but the forex pair move slow, or is gold or not, or is USD more dominant? If looking at that, what time did it start? 7. So about from here on, it's still rising. Just sort of interesting, because you would think since they have news all day, well, I guess for the two things, they could either, the news is bringing in liquidity, push it up. I know it is about to tap actually demand. This is a pretty solid demand. I don't trade this pair, but if you do trade GBP USD, you got you're underneath your EMAs, and price is pushing up for sure. You are a little high, but you got everything below you, everything, all 3 EMAs, yesterday's daily low. You get a high you can shoot for take profit. Broke some structure, broke these, broke this high, broke this little swing high. So that's something to look out for sure. Looks like my second buddy's trying to come in. 1 sec. Ionics, you probably can't even see him. Probably blends right into my jacket. But I promise, I'm not just itching my belly. I got a cat here. This looks like gold's finally pushing up. Gold is pushing up, but did not tap that zone for you. Which is not bad, hoping that it breaks this high. That's where it starts to get a little tricky. Because now if it breaks this high, now time is coming, comes back to that zone. Maybe a potential setup for us. Because I know we grab liquidity, which is a good start. Liquidity being yesterday's daily low. Looked below that. So we took out anybody whose position was there. Now we got a demand or potential demand set up. It left a gap. Looks like it broke that high a little bit. So I'm actually gonna mark this out. We gotta be careful because our EMAs are showing otherwise, at least on our 5-minute. Below our EMAs on the 15. Kind of in the middle of our EMAs. Their stronger EMAs are at the top on the 1 hour. But we're also below them here on the 4 hour. I wonder if he's close enough you can hear him purring. Get him to lay down. Let me double check that. Oh, I do got it. So we didn't, I don't think we quite broke that high, but like tapped it. So not quite a break of structure there. More equal highs. So maybe we'll get one more candle. See what this 8 o'clock candle does. If we got that 8 o'clock momentum, nice push up. Alex over here smacking his head on stuff. This candle should be a rocky one. It's only been 30 seconds and we already see the movement on it. I like that it took out that high now. So we do get a comeback to that 5-minute before we go up. Be a setup, we'll hop in willingly. also liking this because if it goes down here, probably start to slow down a little bit as it starts hitting resistance or support. Resistance from the support there. Cat's like a dead body on my lap. Yeah, let's look at this pan over. You see, knocked out between under 2 blankets. Something to keep in mind as well. Our EMAs are showing a down market, or yeah, downtrend. So this is still. It'd be nice if this candle kind of validated this liquidity grab. So like if it closed up above like this, and then start to pull back. So then I don't gotta worry about the liquidity grab playing out over the demand. If we do get a play there. Animals are on one this morning. How much time? We got a minute left on this candle. That'll be break a candle if you take the liquidity grab. Maybe you didn't get in there. I'd wait for a little bit more of a push. So now I'll just wait for like a big push down. So now we're up against the play out of a liquidity grab, which EMAs are in favor. But off of price action, current price action, it's looking like a reversal from London with new highs being broken. 807. I guess we're waiting for the 815 candle. Hopefully see some movement come in. And TradingView usually has the news pointed out. I guess you see news at 10 o'clock. It's not really showing anything for 8:30. Got your break a candle there. Kind of with the buyer's bias though. So there's something like on my other account where I'm getting break a candle there, but only hold it to that 5 minute. Or see how it reacts off that 5 minute. Seeing stuff like this is funny because people are like, you don't need indicators. You don't need stuff on your charts, which I mean, you don't, but the way it's reacting, hit that line, it reacted right off of it. Someone who doesn't have that there, you're just like, okay, he's got a wick, a random rejection. But now I can see like, oh, it's rejecting off the 13. So I keep them there because I know price likes to react off of them. Which if they weren't there, like in some plays I see it and I'm like, why did price just reverse right there? Or why did I just get a weird wick right there? But I kind of got an explanation now, or showed the explanation. Like the 200 EMA for sure, because I know price likes to do big reversals around there. So I can see like, oh, we're just tapping out for 200. See, now this is icky due to the fact that not getting in that break a candle, and it's a heavy push down. In my mind, I do have a aggressive entry mark. We were live yesterday. Like I said, I like to do that recent swing type of areas. Should be right here. Which looks like we're getting some. Which, as I was saying it, passed right by it. Enter my 2032. Oh, I didn't even see how. So I got my stop losses in place. Let's see how this looks. Stop loss right there. So going for like a 1.01. Again, we're going against the liquidity grab. So that is in mind. However, that was a nice rejection. As I was trying to explain my aggressive entry, it blew a little bit above that. That's still a good positioning. Probably about 4 pips. Where I would have liked to exactly get in there. Check time, 8:12. I like how it closed the gap and rejected though. I like that wick. Check out the 15 minute. 15 minute looks like it's rallying up from taking that liquidity there. And now looking at it, this is a 15.5. So it's a 15. We have our lowest point in that 15 minute. Circle fluences here are taking out or support from the 200, I think, on the 4 hour, I believe it was 4 hour, 1 hour, one of those two. Check it out real quick. Check out my fluences. So we got support from these two. Support from the 200 on the 1 hour. We also had support of the yesterday's daily low. That's obviously on all time frames there. And we got gaps to the left. Hopefully we end above this 200 or above this 13 EMA. Use it as support as well. So I was hoping for a bunch of support, really. Push price up. We also broke a high, got a gap, came down, topped our gap, left it aggressive. So I do have pretty decent to good confluences. I'm just hoping for some momentum, which in 30 seconds I can see that momentum coming, hopefully in our direction. Because again, our counter confluence is the liquidity grab. And EMAs on our 5 minute beat above. I need just to stay wick. This is a great wick. I just need to stay above. Alright, for this 15 minute. Gives us some life. Instead of taking from us here. In my mind, I'm thinking we're fighting against the people in the liquidity grab. So there are probably probable people in the supply we're going against. I may want to move my stop loss to under the 200. But I don't think that's 200. I think that's, what is this? That's under a 50. Under a 50. I'll just keep it right there. this wicks up. So now I'm in an iffy spot on my EMA or my stop loss because I want to move it underneath that EMA. I'm hoping that we get a rejection from prior to. Real quick, price doesn't move right there. 168, 166. Kind of bad. Stop loss. If the price keeps going like this. So I don't want this candle to be a fake out. So now we get this candle to end something like that. I'll just keep it there. I just know that price likes to react and reject off of EMAs. So that's why I was kind of debating of putting it under that. The way we're getting crazy wick rejections from our zone. We got a minute 30 still left on here though, so. If you wick like this, it would just trouble down a little bit. I might just go ahead with that stop loss. Because clearly we're getting some good rejections off of our area of interest there. Hopefully this will just pull back to our zone to continue trend up. $40 seconds left. Maybe this 820 candle will always also give us something. All kind of depending where this candle lands. And I'm like, what time we're at? We're at past 8 o'clock. This is a good time in interviews where we start to see our trades. The rock and roll. See, if it ended like this, would be perfect. Like I said, I don't know why. It's like that 820 candle's giving us something as well. I like how that last candle. I'm liking how our candles are ending. We're above the EMA. We just need the buyers to come with something. Needing them to stop losing. In the beginning, they're losing to the sellers. And like last second, they swoop up, and come back. I need a candle just like this, is in the other direction to start out. But we don't have any bad candles. We don't have any bad candles scaring us out of this trade, really. With how they're ending. So we're just jammed up between EMAs. I think we're just stuck with like I'm using MetaTrader to place my trades on. So like on here, I'm using MetaTrader. This is, I believe, MetaTrader 5. And then I'm just using TradingView. So obviously TradingView has the nice looks. Like within the last few months, MetaTrader has been off some of, like I used to, like my regular broker is Osprey, and they used to use MetaTrader. That's why I use them. And then MetaTrader got like regulated or something like that, and a lot of prop firms and brokers stopped using them. Which I'll probably only take challenges that use MetaTrader, just because what I'm used to. I thought about water over here. Close to our stop loss. A minute left on this candle. Yes, sir. Hopefully we get a wick again from here. This candle closes like this, and then potentially probably just see it starting to ride down the rest of the way. Got about 30 seconds left on here. Very close to my stop loss. Probably get taken out here, yeah. Okay. So we got taken out, which I'll probably start just going down. Rest of time. If not, I may look for a re-entry if it still validates this zone. But with it kind of taking out my lows there, I can see it going down. Shooting down the rest of the day. Record this very quick. It's okay. We're gonna take a buy. So for my reflection, let's look at the validated dead zone. I can see this. So I'll follow my rules. However, we were going against. Let me type it out and then I'll spit out. Alright, so for this trade, we knew the consequence of we were going against the trend as far as the liquidity grab. I just like the way the structure is being broken. So if you did take that liquidity grab against me, got the dub on this one. Now, got 2 minutes until news. So I think we'll see a reversal. This is because where price is at. So hopefully we get a counter liquidity grab. Get rid of my news marker there. DXY is looking like it may shoot up, so might just be a melting day. We'll see what news presents. What is needed? Say news does break through here. I'm gonna keep this marked out because maybe we get a break and retest. But knowing gold likes to do reversals around like 9:30ish, 9 to 9:30. Likes to do reversals. So we can still maybe catch a buy later on there. While that's doing that, we got about a minute. Check on NAS. Looks like NAS invalidated this support. Invalidated this one, but maybe you get a. If this ends below this area with a wick, then a nice break and retest would look good. But if it ended just like it is now, we do have a supply. So a couple plays out there. Like the way EMAs are now, it'd be kind of hard for this to break through. It's looking like a nice break and retest. But as it just jumped up there, see what gold is doing. So gold took us out before it went up. Which I probably would have put $1 million on it doing that. It's been the story of the year here. See how this candle finishes. Still breaking highs, no lows. We're still in like a mini uptrend there, despite what the EMAs are showing. If this candle comes up into here, that'll be nice. But hopefully we don't get a fake out there, because this will be a better setup. The 15 and a 5 attached to it, and us still being, and would be, if it wicked here and wicked off the 200 as well, that'd be real nice. On NAS, I thought I had a zone marked up here. That's still potential setup on NAS. You gotta be careful because usually news like this pushes price. Looks like it's having its own little struggling day there. Good push down in the DXY. I like this candle to end up in here, so that way we still have another demand setup we can mark up there. Get something like this. I bet you that 15-minute. Says earlier we were in a 15.5. 15-minute played out, but it took us out on the 5. So if you do trade the 15-minute, you are break a candle in right here. I doubt your 1-to-1 got smacked yet. Let's see, check it out. No, so your 1-to-1 is up in there. But this may actually create another 15-minute 5 there. This would be nice if it comes back to. Only if it kept me in here, we'd be catching this. That's alright. I'll probably get another setup close here. As we're right in between both of them, unless we just start ranging. I doubt that. It's 8:33. We'll probably see something around 8:45. Now we're just waiting for a zone tap. If it taps with this candle, I would not get an aggressive, just because it's a news candle. Like it did just there. Say it wicks down crazy, I won't get an aggressive. I'll wait for the next, hopefully 2 candles. Hopefully another small candle, which will either show us it invalidating this zone or it respecting this zone, which we'll see here. Number respects this zone, we'll wait for that break of candle. And if it validates it, we'll just wait for the setup above. Just the way price is moving, I can see it just blowing through this. I'd rather blow through it now than play around. A nice wick out of the zone would be nice if it does validate it. This candle to end under here. Alright, now we can go ahead, not worry about that one. Now we got this set up above here, which is good. This is also a great demand. Man, the way prices cheat me this year, I do better trading without a stop loss, which I'll never do, but if I traded without a stop loss and just give it some time, all trade. I believe all my losses this year have gone straight into where I kind of predicted it going there. Check out the DXY to see if it has any part of reversal. Not really. It's just filling in gaps to the left. Let's check on NAS. See if NAS reacted off that yet. So NAS hasn't even tapped that zone, which now will get a little trickier because we're above our EMAs. But it did grab liquidity, broke some structure. No, this could be a pullback to that area, and then hopefully continuation of price there. Price starting to slow down, approaching that 200, which is good. Pump the brakes coming into our zone. So now hopefully getting little dribbles into that. Zone tap here. So the zone did tap. Now we'll see what price wants to do. Oh no, wrong area. Let's see if it validates this area actually, with how price is pushing. Filter zone on MetaTrader there. I think I marked it up wrong. Stop messing around here. See. Okay, yep. Got that marked up there. It's probably invalidated because the DXY is pushing down. Tap. Alright, zone invalidated. So now the only setup we have at the moment is that demand back down. Got this demand here. Don't really have any clean liquidity grabs to enter. Now I think our next news is until 10 o'clock, so hopefully we get a reversal later in the day. See what type of blow we took. Should they count? No, do I? It's not what I wanted to do. Not too bad. Took about what is that? About a 1.5, 1.4 type of loss %. So that's nothing bad at all. Now we gotta figure out. I didn't even know this toolbox can move. It's fine. find a nice spot for it. Actually kind of dope that I can move. Trying to get proportional. That's fine. So we'll see if we get any big movements. Let's check out NAS. NAS is playing off that supply. So potential setup with NAS. Let's wait for a break of candle. That's moving very slow there. Today may be your first setup on NAS to take. No, I don't have any. Probably just keep the same position. I'll even take it at this break of candle. See how it plays out. So for gold, I have the DXY. For NAS, I thought it was called the VIX. Is it VIX? I guess so. So for NAS, we use the VIX. Still no entry, still don't have a break of candle. I thought it was VYX, not VI. How do I? I need a cleaner chart. But how gold moves contrary to the DXY. NAS does the same thing with the VIX. Let's see if we can get a cleaner chart. Oh yeah, that is not it. Still no entry on NAS there. Let's try. It's not it there. For starters, I thought it was VYX. Stripe Pepperstone. Is that the one I'm using now? It's really the cleanest chart they have here. All the gaps. Still waiting for a break a candle on NAS. See if I can pull up a. US 100. Rather than have NAS. Indices. This UK, US 30. So you mean to tell me they have everything but NAS on here? Let's see, I'm probably gonna be for candle breaks on there. How does that even work? Everything has the same. What is another name for it? Let's check out gold. Nothing there. Gold actually has been moving very, very nice this year. Besides the fact that it takes me out, then goes up, but let's put this back up. I think it just be 1.5. 0.50 for 1% for 10 pip. Looking like this. I think that's double. Say here. This is some on the spot work here. 1.66. Because that's 1%. Let's do 1. Hopefully we get a break candle here. Maybe. Maybe not. I know spreads on that are nasty, so we'll see how this broker does us. And a nice sell here. Stop loss up here. Make this smaller. What is it? 2,000 something something something. Now we gotta find our toolbox once again. New order strategy. Where'd our toolbox go? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna enter it manually off of our phone here until I find my toolbox. Okay. All right, so I got stop loss place for both positions there. Well, we got that settled. I'm not gonna worry about anything now as far as that. Let's keep an eye on, or not keep an eye, let's figure out how to get our toolbox back. Because I'm not sure what really happens to that. Strategy tester with the quotes. Oh shit. No, we're tweaking. Alright. Now with NAS, I got a little history of NAS. We gotta be careful before 9:30. That's kind of our watch out point there. Today's gonna be a little longer stream, which I got no problem with. 2 bar status, 2 bars, standard line, oh, status symbols, depth of chart, toolbox. There we go. Here we go. Now, how do we see? Hi. That makes no sense. Aha. Okay. Back in action. Back in action. Now we can watch this. Alright, so we were counter over EMAs, but we are coming out that supply. Like earlier I mentioned, we grab liquidity. I like that. We grab liquidity and got a breaker structure. And we're just hoping for momentum in our way. I'll mark this out on here. Or in this. It's about accurate, right? I believe I got a little bit more than one. Oh no. This is my 101 knot. 2,200. That's good. Got 1-to-1 placed. Now he's gonna break through these EMAs here. Gonna push down candle to close underneath that. Check out Nas. Nas is just chilling. I like how Nas moves. Hopefully it moves in our way, you know. For the creator who allowed you to delete the toolbox, there was no need for that. No need at all. Because realistically, who needs to move their toolbox? Well, I got someone's chart and I don't got their toolbox there. I think that a little weird, because how you gonna place stop loss and whatnot? Modify positions. Nas does have a demand, I will point out. Here. But there is no breaker structure attached to it, which is good for our sake, because that breaker structure would have been zone invalidated. I like how Nas runs. So Nas starts running down. I'm gonna have confluence of it when keep running down. Oh, I'm looking at this like if this is the correct VIX, as this moves up, Nas will move down. The VIX is a lot cleaner than gold. VIX and Nas is a lot cleaner than gold and 9 o'clock. Gold and DXY, because you will actually see sometimes as the VIX is in the supply, gold will be in a demand, and it'll line up like perfectly. So I'll do later today or tonight. I'll do my research of which one exactly it is. Which chart it is. It's gonna be a longer stream. Depending on how Nas gets us. Someone tell the market makers stop playing with us on gold. I'm tired of it hitting our position, taking us out, and then going. It's using me as liquidity. It's playing with me. I'm legit liquidity on the team I'm on. A little cold-blooded, you know? Check something real quick. Is that have my zone marked up here. So now we can actually find this out now. That's 100 versus VXN. Let's try that. Try that puppy out real quick. What the? Ain't no chance this is it. Something. No, because this is days. These are days. So it is VIX. I'm just gonna find a chart that looks right. It doesn't look like straight garbage, you know. I thought I'd mark something out on GU as well. Oh, I had a little demand, but it validated that. Nah, there has to be something cleaner. Come next week, hopefully I got that reminded. I should put that on my notes. I get along with their friend. Hard to wake up here, as you can see. A little bit more. Let me feed my little kitty cat real quick. He didn't like her sleep being disturbed there. Alright, I like how this last candle ended due to the fact that we are under our EMAs now. Showing that trend is hopefully picking up. Keep an eye out for 9:30. Okay, maybe this is the right VIX, because it is going up. As it is going down. I just saw like sometime like what is all this? You know? TP2, either this low or this low, or the supply down here. Depending on what time it is around that. Alright, we're at a good position at the moment. I'm not gonna lie. I like this position just because we're under our EMAs now. And now we're just hoping for a trend continuation. Hopefully a lower low gets created. It's gonna be kind of hard because we're not trending. Like the EMAs are cutting straight diddly through price, so. I don't know why it's inching up like that. We didn't give it permission to do so. Let me see. I don't know if it tapped this zone. You know, so it's not like it's reacting off the demand area there. I'm a little sick about gold, I'm not gonna lie. Gold doing this crazy. Gold doing this crazy. Like my mentor says, if you know, you know. It's like, wife, you going crazy. Wife doing this crazy. Ugh. When I was doing that, be right back. Let's see how this candle playing off. Right now it's playing in between price, I'm not gonna lie. So we're kind of hoping for a momentum down. We'll hold on that real quick, be right back.
Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. They had to dress cause it's me too. Yeah, talking all the shit that you don't been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls on girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls on girls. Hey, yeah, girls on girls where I'm from. Girls on girls. Girls on girls where I'm from.
I'm liking these candles. I'm gonna stop looking at that. Stop looking at MetaTrader. Because every time I take a peek, I'm gonna mess around with me. Keep an eye on the clock. Just know as we inch closer to 9:30. Just gotta start being a little careful. I'm not gonna lie, I'm more scared of NAS open than I am of news. Cause they'll do some wicked stuff. Not a good weak rejection. call real quick. Keep watching charts on your own. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Next message.
Got you in Houston, but you're from Atlanta, New York from Pennsylvania, something. Fuck, all I know is you hot, you know this, you make it easy to blow this, you know this thing. Working the abs for me, shaped like a glass for me. It's like I knew what I liked. I'm right, I know what I like. Sex tape, selfie on that dress. Tryna get you wet like a Baptist, really, dog. Yo, love running down always. Since I don't wanna be like I'm paid. Baby girl, I ain't hating. You got options and I'm in. You know you got options, baby. Yeah, you got options, baby. No, you got options, baby. God is an option, baby. Fuck dog and kisses, baby. This is for my real bitches. You got options. Tell that hating nigga shut the fuck up. Tell that hating ass nigga to shut the fuck up. Tell that hating ass nigga to shut the fuck up. Fuck all that hugging and kisses, I fuck all your bitches.
Alright. Looks like we won't be riding this trade for a minute. A slight reversal. Hopefully we get some action here before 9:30, you know, so we don't get mixed up in all that. Hopefully it didn't just fake me out where it went close to my take profit. Right now we just scoping the scene, you know? Scoping the scene. And now we're dancing around, break even. So we just a patient trade here. I know what we haven't done in a minute. Hopefully I don't get mad again and kick out my what the kick out my whatchamacallit. Oh snap. Oh snap, look at my keys right. Press N. Pac-Man on crack. See, one of those are 2 and 1. Oh, there it is. Oh, got keys. See what? What Pac-Man have you ever seen go this fast on level 1? I did not mean to eat that, but it's cool. Or not even go all the way back in the box for the change color. There we go. Oh, what the fuck? Make that make sense. Get loose. Leave that there. I don't know what they all up in my hood for, you know? There we go. Got nasty corner of my eye. I ain't gonna lie. I'm locked in right now. I'm gonna see what. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! And this is level 2. Level 2 ain't that bad. I ain't gonna lie. When I first downloaded this, I'm locked in right now. I gotta go crazy up top. I'm tweaking. Yeah. We use this. Yeah, some extra time. Alright, now we need him. Just already did. Shit, what the fuck? Make that make sense. Come here. Make that make sense. But he didn't even. Come on. Go. No, I wasn't watching. Go. See, who just had to hawk me? What time is it? 9:20. Got 10 minutes. 10 minutes to go crazy. I'm getting it. Oh, snap. You about to be on some crackhead stuff, boy. I forgot where my keys were for a minute. Uh-oh. Come on. I swear Pac-Man is not supposed to be just like comp off rip. This is like I'm getting hand cramps and stuff. This ain't right. Pac-Man for this level should be relatively slow. See, why is red on my ass like that? Alright, what we got? Alright. Gonna go. Boom, boom, boom. Stop. I don't even want to eat you. I got no choice. Stop. I got. Come on. Y'all heard scoping the scene on my spot. Come on. Yeah, bro, I'm still in the trade. I got in the trade. Stop this madness. I got in the trade last minute. So now you gotta set it out, my boy. We gotta thug it out. We in a trade right now. Oh, I'm tweaking. I just said that. But we still in this Pac-Man. My arm cramping. Made it level 4 though. Speaking of the trade we're in, my guy. Speaking of the trade we're in. Right now we sent positive. We lost our first trade. Did us kind of crazy. We got in. Where did we get in? We got in up here. Stop loss was right here. Came, took us out, and then Look at this. Look at this. Did what it's been doing all week. This time we were in the same position, ready to take this right up. But it took us out first. I just want to know where this is. Okay. I'm gonna go to work. After this, I'm thugging this trade out, to be honest. Tight. Tight, tight. Actually, I don't know where my shoes are. So I gotta lock it on this trade right quick. Then we'll go ahead and handle the work. You feel me? I got priorities right now. You feel me? I don't even like this VIX. I get along better with your friend. Don't do that. Don't do that to me. It tapped probably my ticket profit, but it didn't take me out, so don't do that. Don't do that to me. Come on, bro. We right there. We tapped it. We hugged it. We kissed it. I think I'm just. Don't reject. Don't do that. Come on, come on, come on, push down. Are we serious right now? Time's at 9:25. Are we serious right now? It tapped our take profit, didn't take us out. Now it's reversing. But I still got faith. Hopefully. Hopefully. I know one thing. Move this stop loss. Where'd my sound go? So now we gotta keep a very close eye on it. We're gonna do it just like this. Bro. So I see how much time we got on candles and whatnot. Come on, bro. I literally tapped my take profit. Tapped my take profit. I'm gonna hope within these next 3 minutes that it hits. Or it could very well reverse on us. That TP gets hit in this candle, so I can move a runner to break even before 9:30. Or may just get out altogether. Oh, I do. Oh no, she's knocked right here to my left. Slumped diddly do. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it, pardon. Alright, come on, bro. We got 2 minutes. Inches away from where we want to get out. Come on. Boom, took us out. Good. Stop loss here. This is goodness. I'm telling you, right before 9:30, I'll make it out. I'll do right out 9:30. We see 500. I ain't gonna lie. All week we've been seeing some. Hold on. Let me lock in real quick. All week we've been seeing some banger trades, but I haven't been sitting through them. Today, we're gonna try to sit through this. You feel me? Oh boy. Especially we got TP2. Let me get that prepped. Got TP2 right there. 40 seconds. Let's see if it blesses us or crushes us. At like 10 seconds, if it starts to push down, move my stop loss. Boom, right there. Moving my stop loss right there. Hopefully we don't get a wick up. Come on. Right there. We're in the, uh-oh. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Come on. Don't do it. 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 Come on. All right. It's cool. Took us out. Cool with that. Perfectly fine with that. Today, like every other day, a win and loss. I'm gonna go ahead and record this a little over time. Watch it still go down. It just took us out first, but I'm alright with it. I got out a great spot. I'll go ahead and call it, record my trade, then call it. I'm going to do that right now. So the charts are still looking good. Oh snap, we actually took a trade on NAS. 100. Took a sell. Perfect trade, yes. Challenge. Took the W.
W's in the chat. What do you say? W's in the chat.
Follow rules. Alright. Look, going right in position. But it's okay, we got ours. We got ours. We're content, happy. Y'all have a good day, man. See y'all next week.